here is how we can check daily app usage on Android. Let me show you how you can find it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the easiest way to find it is by going to the settings, and then from the main section, just look up the digital well-being and parental controls. And this is the place where you can find all of the data about your usage. So you can see the breakdown of how much time you have spent on the phone, and you can as well see the apps and specific categories of apps that have been used basically. So you can see the most used apps and see the notifications from them and so on, right? So you can control it right here. When you tap on the chart or graph at the top, it's going to expand it, and you can even go back in time and see the specific times or the data from those previous days, and you can also see all of the different apps that have been used. So it's really useful to see it and go back in time. You can go back quite a lot, but these are all of the things which you can manage and check out. As I said below, you also have the notifications, which you can also see how many notifications you received, as well as how many times you have unlocked the device throughout the day. So very useful data, which you can manage right here. On the main section, you also have the chart icon in at the top right, which is the weekly report, which is also very nice. You can see the amount of data which has been, or all of the stuff, the minutes from 1 week only, and you can kind of like compare it on a weekly basis. So that's something which you can also check out for interesting insights. But it would be all from me. I hope I was able to explain it the way that it kind of functions and works. If you have some more questions about this, let me know below. Subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.